Making mistakes is how we learn. It's hardwired into us from birth. Think of a baby learning to walk, wobbling, falling, getting up again. Each tumble is a lesson, not a failure. This trial and error process is the engine of human progress, from learning to bake a cake to mastering science. We've built our most advanced artificial minds, neural networks, to learn the same way. These digital learners make millions of mistakes per second, each one nudging them closer to understanding. Imagine baking a cake for the first time and accidentally using salt instead of sugar. You taste the mistake, learn, and adjust. That feedback loop, action, outcome, correction, drives both human and machine learning. Science, music, language, all mastered through error and correction. AI isn't about instant perfection. It's about building systems that learn from being wrong. We're creating machines that embrace error as a teacher, just like we do. This shared classroom of errors is where the future is forged. Both humans and machines are students, learning side by side. It's messy, but it's powerful. The real magic is in the humility to be wrong, and to grow from it. In this cosmic classroom, mistakes are the stepping stones to discovery. So, what's a neural network? Picture a team of simple workers, each making basic yes or no decisions. To teach them to spot a cat, you show a picture. The first layer looks for edges and shapes, passing their findings to the next layer. Each layer builds on the last, piecing together more complex patterns, an ear here, a whisker there. The final worker decides, cat or not. When the network gets it wrong, a process called backpropagation kicks in. The error message travels backward, prompting each worker to tweak their approach. These are tiny adjustments, but repeated over thousands of images, they add up. The network learns from every mistake, slowly becoming an expert. It's not about instant genius. It's about relentless, incremental improvement. Each error is a lesson, each correction a step forward. Through countless mistakes, the network refines its understanding. That's how machines learn to see the world, one error at a time, and that's the heart of artificial intelligence. This process mirrors what happens in your own brain. Billions of neurons connected by synapses learn through feedback and error. When you ride a bike for the first time, your brain sends signals. Most are wrong, and you wobble or fall. That fall is feedback. Your brain adjusts, strengthening the right connections, weakening the wrong ones. It's a biological version of backpropagation. Learning a language? Mispronounce a word, get corrected, and your brain rewires itself. Each attempt, each mistake, sculpts your neural pathways. Both brains and neural networks start with no knowledge and learn by doing. Feedback from mistakes refines their models of reality. The brain is more complex, but the principle is the same. We're all students in the school of trial and error. Human or machine, we update our understanding one mistake at a time. This is the universal philosophy of learning. Mistakes aren't setbacks. They're the path forward. Let's see this in action. AlphaGo, an AI, shocked the world by making a move in Go that looked like a blunder, but it was genius. AlphaGo had played millions of games, learning from its own mistakes and discovering strategies no human had imagined. Its error was actually a breakthrough, showing us new possibilities. In science, neural networks help design new proteins. At first, they generate unstable, useless structures, mistakes. But with each failure, the AI learns, adjusting its approach. Eventually, it creates novel, stable proteins that could revolutionize medicine and materials. These advances are born from trial, error, and relentless learning. Machines get smarter by embracing their mistakes, and sometimes their errors lead to discoveries we never saw coming. What does this mean for creativity? For centuries, imagination was uniquely human. Now, AI is showing its own kind of creativity. Alien, but fascinating. AI doesn't get stuck in old patterns. It explores creative spaces we can't, generating thousands of ideas. Most are mistakes, but some are brilliant. These unexpected gems can inspire human creators to break new ground. It's not about replacing us, but augmenting our imagination. Imagine a composer working with an AI that studied every melody ever written. The AI generates 100 options. Most are odd, but one is strikingly new. The human shapes it into art. This is collaboration. AI provides raw material, humans add meaning and emotion. The future of creativity is a partnership. Human logic and taste meet AI's wild exploration. Together, we push the boundaries of art, music, and storytelling. AI's errors become our inspiration. It's an engine for serendipity, a catalyst for creative breakthroughs. The happy accidents of AI can spark the next wave of human discovery. As we face this new era, it's natural to wonder about our place. But the universe is vast. There's room for both human and artificial intelligence. We're not competitors. We're partners on a creative journey. Think of it as a duet. Humans bring context, emotion, and purpose. AI brings data, pattern finding, and tireless exploration. Together, we can compose symphonies, design cities, and unravel cosmic mysteries. AI is our muse, our assistant, our window into new worlds. This partnership requires us to guide, collaborate, and learn from AI's mistakes. Our role is to dream, question, and imagine. AI helps us chase those dreams further than ever before. This synergy will redefine creativity. Neural networks learning from error don't threaten us. They amplify us. We're not just building tools, we're creating partners. Together we'll build a future richer and more beautiful than we could alone.